Hi everyone, continue to watch this video if you want to see how I made this delicious oven baked chicken with some potato wedges. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Don't forget guys to share this video and give me a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a oven whole chicken. So here I have 7 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, some bell peppers, 2 red and 1 green. Okay, I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme and 2 chili green peppers, and I'm also gonna add 1 scotch bonnet pepper, so guys I'm gonna also add some ginger, and that's half of ginger. And I'm also gonna add some spring onion, and that's the amount that I'm gonna use. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 spoon of smoked paprika, 1 spoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoon of chicken seasoning, 1 spoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 spoon of black pepper. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And some olive oil, and that's 1/4 cup. So that's my whole chicken right there. I already washed it and it's clean. And what I did guys, I cut in the middle of the chicken, okay? It is optional, but I want all the seasoning to get right inside, so that's the reason why. So as you can see, I flip it over and that's how I cut it. So now I'm gonna blend up my vegetable. So firstly, I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper. And what I did, I cut my scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want my chicken to be too spicy because my children are gonna eat it, okay? So now I'm gonna add my bell peppers, but I'm not gonna add all of it at once because my blender is not too big. So I'm gonna add my onion, my garlic, my fresh thyme, and my spring onion. And I'm also gonna add my ginger. So I'm gonna also add 1 lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze my lemon in my blender. So just make sure the seed doesn't get into your blender. Guys, this recipe is similar to the peri peri chicken, okay? I get that inspiration, yeah. So now I'm gonna add some of my seasoning to my blender. I'm not gonna add all of it, okay? So now I'm gonna add my olive oil. And guys, if you don't have no olive oil, you can always use vegetable oil, okay? It's fine. So I'm just gonna add just a small amount of water just to loosen it up. Then I'm just gonna cover my blender with my lid. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it all up. Just make sure it is nice and smooth. So it is all blend, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my remaining ingredients. And some more of my seasoning, but not all of it, just a bit. So it is all blend. So now I'm just gonna add it to my bowl right there. And guys, the color is just amazing. But if you want yours to be red, you can always add more bell peppers, more of the red bell peppers, or even some chili pepper, okay? So guys, you can add the red chili pepper, okay? And I'm telling you, it smells amazing. My house right now, whoo, wow. So now I'm gonna season my chicken. So here I am adding some olive oil just to keep my chicken nice and moist. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning, okay? You just want to blend it, guys, just a bit. And you want to just add your seasoning. So after I add all of my seasoning, I'm just going to take my hands and just massage all that seasoning all over on my chicken. Just make sure, guys, you season it properly, okay? Because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. And you can always use a gloves. So after I finish season my chicken, now I'm gonna add my wet ingredients. And guys, I'm not gonna add all of it, but I'm gonna add most of it. Okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip my chicken over and just make sure you pour all that delicious, delicious herb all over on your chicken. So you're just gonna take your hand and just make sure you rub all that blended herb all over on your chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good already. The color is just amazing. So guys, I'm gonna marinate my chicken for at least 1 hour. But if you do it overnight, you will get a good result. Okay? So now I'm just gonna wrap my bowl right there with my cling fling. Just make sure it is all sealed. So just after 1 hour, that's what my chicken looks like. I just removed the cling fling. So now guys, as you can see, my tray is right there. So what I'm gonna do, I add some vegetable oil to my tray. Just make sure it is greased properly. And then I'm gonna add my chicken to my oven. I'm gonna add it for at least 1 hour guys, and 150 degrees Celsius. So now I'm adding my chicken to my tray. Then I'm gonna add my remaining blended herb from my bowl. In the oven she goes. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna serve my chicken with some potato wedges. So that's 10 potato, and as you can see I cut it up and that's what it look like. So now I'm gonna season it. It's already washed, it's clean. So the seasoning that I'm gonna add is 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just a pinch of salt. Okay, make sure guys you blend your season up. So as you can see, I add my season to my potato. And I'm also adding 2 spoonfuls of vegetable oil just to keep it nice and moist. So I'm just gonna take my hand and just massage all that seasoning, all that vegetable oil all over on my potato. Make sure guys it is all seasoned properly, okay? So I'm also gonna add at least 5 spoonful of my blended herbs to my potato. And I'm telling you, this is gonna take your potato on another level. It's gonna be so good. You're just gonna take your hands and just massage it all over on your potato wedges. So I'm just about to bake my potato. So here I have my tray, guys, and to my tray I had a grill on top, as you can see. So now I'm gonna add at least half cup of water to my tray so the potato will not dry out. So that's why. So as you can see, now I'm adding my potato on my grill right there. Just make sure, guys, it is all spaced out. So I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 30 to 35 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now, guys, I'm gonna add my blended herbs. So after I add all of my blended herbs, I'm just gonna add at least 1 spoonful of smoked paprika just to give it some color. Then, guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes or so, okay? Because what I'm doing, guys, I'm making a sauce for my chips. So after 5 minutes, that's what it look like. You can always taste your liking. If it need any black pepper, any salt, you can always add, okay? But that's perfect for me. So just after 1 hour, that's what my chicken looks like. And I'm telling you guys, it smells amazing. So what I'm gonna do, the liquid that's leave in my tray right there, I'm just gonna take it and just pour it all over on my chicken so it keep nice and moist, okay? Then, guys, I'm gonna pour at least 2 spoonful of olive oil all over on my chicken. This is what gonna make your chicken be crispy, okay? So I'm gonna add some fresh thyme on my chicken. And guys, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 40 to 60 minutes, okay? And 150 degrees Celsius. Just make sure you give an eye on it. So finally guys, my chicken is all finished, and I'm telling you, just look at it. It have this nice char color, and that's exactly how I want it. Just perfect. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. It smells so good and it look absolutely delicious. The color is just amazing. So now I'm gonna cut in my chicken so you guys can see how nice, juicy, and how tender and how delicious it is. Guys, don't forget to share this video with your families, with your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button guys, for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So now I'm plating up my potato wedges first, and that's what my potato wedges look like guys. It is nice, golden. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Trust me. If you try this recipe guys, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So I'm just giving you guys a up close look and how delicious my potato wedges looks like. So after I add my chicken, now I'm gonna add some cherry tomato, and I'm also gonna add some spinach on the side just for presentation, and I love the color, so that's why. So now I'm gonna add my cherry tomato. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. It just look like, like I'm in a restaurant. And as you can see right there, I've got my sauce right on the side. So it is all plated up. So now I'm just gonna taste it for you guys. So my sauce is right there on the side, as I said. So now guys, I'm gonna cut into my chicken, and I'm telling you, it is so nice, so tender, so juicy. This recipe right here is a must try guys. It is absolutely delicious. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. So guys, as you can see, I dip my chicken in my sauce right there, and trust me, it goes so perfectly with it. If you don't want that sauce, you can always use some ketchup, okay? Until next time, bye. Love ya.